Hello, welcome to ChristCenteredGamer's latest unboxing of one of EPOMAKER's newest keyboards. I'm so excited to show this to you guys. This is the TH80 V2 Pro. Now, this is my first time reviewing an EPOMAKER keyboard, but it's not my first exposure to them, so I'm very excited to show this to you guys. So this is a functional 75% layout. There you go. I'll give you a good view of the box. Smart display knob, triple wireless or triple connectivity, so wired, wireless, and Bluetooth, as far as I know. I think this has Bluetooth. Software programmable, custom RGB lighting for backlights. It's got a little display right there. Let's see, anything hot. And here's the bottom and the back. Oh yeah, they're fully hot swappable mechanical keys, screen and knob. So pretty cool. Definitely excited. They've gotten better and better over the years. So I'm certainly excited about these. I have an EPOMAKER at my desk and I absolutely love it. It's one that we were given actually. It wasn't a review product. So this one would be compared against that one. So here you go. All right. So it says right here we got additional accessories and the EPOMAKER cover. Go ahead and take that off for right now. And then let's see what's in the accessories. Okay, so we got little flaps here that flip up. All right, so we've got the keycap puller. Pretty standard keycap puller right there. We've got, ooh, this is a very nice looking braided cable. There you go. All right, looks good. And we've got what looks to be some extra switches and an insert key. So we've got two extra switches and an insert key. I believe this one came with the Creamy Jade switches. So that's what that one is. And then the keyboard itself, which pretty substantial. We've got some books here and a little manual, which I suspect we won't need too much of, but maybe there's some default key bindings that might be useful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the floor for now. And let's see what the keyboard is all about. Oh boy. All right, this feels good. All right, so first of all, it is plastic, so you can hear, actually, I'm gonna turn off my noise canceling just for the moment so you get to hear my background noise. There you go. So you get to hear my background noise, but there is some knock on the bottom. We've got this little metal or aluminum or whatever little logo thing, which is pretty cool. So it must have a little cover sticker because it's got a glue thing. It does have feet right here. So if you like to have your keyboard tilted, you can do that. It's got two different settings. It has some cool little marbly stuff on the side. I guess I'll show that to you. And this peels off. Oh, whoa. It wanted to come off entirely, which is probably not intended. Oh boy. Well, that's not coming off. It looks like there's a sticker layer, but it's not coming off. So we'll just ignore that for right now. See if this one comes off properly. Yeah, this side's coming off. Actually, no, it's the same thing, sticker. I have no idea why that's there. I'll be honest with you. I have no idea why. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just put that right there. Okay. So I'm going to give you guys a really close-up look at this keyboard. So before I get there, oh yeah, so here is the connector, standard USB Type-C. It's got 2.4 gigahertz USB and Bluetooth, Mac and Windows settings, which are all pretty useful. And yeah, this is the keyboard itself, and these are the unique keycaps, the shine through. Keycaps are kind of translucent from what I can tell. And yeah, it's got a really cool knob, which is my first time touching it. And you get to hear my phone ring. All right, all right. Okay, so here's what the keyboard sounds like. This is my first time touching it, so I've not done any keyboard sounds yet with this guy. So let's see what these switches sound like and this keyboard sounds like. Oh yeah, there it is. Beautiful marbly sound. It's interesting feel, very interesting. Here's the enter, space, sounds consistent, shift, cap lock, tab, escape, function keys, top row, home delete, arrow keys, functions cap lock. This is a great sounding keyboard. Yes, it is. I do like how that sounds. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap this and let's take a good look and see what the switches look like inside the keyboard itself. So let's go ahead. Oh man, these are interesting keycaps. I'm kind of afraid to pull one off, but kind of have a marbly look to them. Oh yeah, there it is. That's the Jade. So there it is. That's what it looks like. Very neat. Okay, I'm going to turn on the backlight through a cheater method called put it on 2.4 gigahertz mode. And there it is. You can see it, the keys, the colors shine right through. Isn't that something? Oh, apparently it has R. Oh yeah, that reminds me. Where is the dongle? Oh, that's where the dongle is. The dongle is hidden underneath this foot. So I lift the foot up, and then there's the dongle, and it just pulls right out. That is a very interesting spot for a dongle, I must say. I never considered that before as a possible location, but there it is. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this into my computer that I'm typing, or that I'm recording this on. I should probably put it on USB. No, hmm. There we go. All right. So I'm going to go pull up a notepad. This is the new EPOMAKER TH80 V2. I already messed up. I can't help a typo. Keyboard. Very nice. Yeah, it's a very interesting look. All right, so home is here. Is function home end? No, it is not. So I got to figure out what the end key is. It has an LCD screen. Oh, and it shows the mode it's in, how much battery life. That is so cool. And I got to, whoa, function arrow does something. It changes the RGB mode. I was hoping it would be something like move the, page up or page down or end or something like that. Didn't do that. But as you can see here, I'm going to try to show it to you. So there is the screen. It shows you, let's see, the time and the date. That time is, let me see. It's off by 1 hour, but it's surprisingly close to accurate. It is the correct date. No, it's tomorrow. So it's probably ahead by half a day or whatever. It's probably time zones. Pretty cool. It has numlock on. I don't know how that works. Cap locks it shows on there. I have no idea where scroll lock would be. Very cool. I'm gonna have to spend some time with this. Keycaps are really interesting. Huh. Oh, it has south-facing LEDs. I love that. My favorite keycaps that I used on another keyboard had south-facing LEDs. And the nice thing about that, see how they're south-facing right there? The cool thing about that is you can have keycaps that shine the number or letter on the bottom and have the top being flat, which I really love those keycaps that I have like that, and I might do something like that again. This is a very interesting keyboard. Like I said, oh, it's got a little shining RGB strip on the outside. It's got another little RGB strip on the top. From what I understand, this has a very large battery, and this does adjust the volume. Very cool. Pressing it in mutes it, which is also what you would expect. Very cool. Wow. Well, this is gonna have some. I'm gonna have some fun with this keyboard. This is a fantastic sounding and looking keyboard. Thank you so much for EPOMAKER for sending this to us to review. Please look forward to our full written review that will be linked in the description. Take care. God bless, and have a great day.